Welcome to the content creation using GenAI for mobile apps video. After watching this video, you will be able to explain how generative AI enhances content creation for mobile applications, describe its key applications, and outline methodologies and tools for leveraging it effectively. In today's digital landscape, mobile apps are an integral part of our daily lives. From shopping and social networking to productivity, users expect seamless and engaging experiences. Generative AI has emerged as a transformative tool in this space, enabling the creation of compelling content with efficiency and precision. Whether it's crafting personalized marketing messages or managing user-generated content, GenAI is reshaping how apps deliver value. A key application of GenAI in mobile apps is chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI-driven tools provide instant, human-like responses, enhancing customer experience significantly. For instance, the Sephora app employs a chatbot to recommend beauty products tailored to users' skin types and preferences, showcasing how AI can provide practical, personalized assistance. Another notable example is Claude.ai, an AI chatbot developed by Anthropic. It assists users with tasks like answering questions, providing information, and facilitating conversations. Using advanced machine learning, Claude.ai generates human-like text while prioritizing safety and ethical alignment to mitigate harmful interactions. Its integration capabilities make it versatile for personal and professional applications, enhancing productivity and communication. Tools like Claude.ai showcase how generative AI streamlines interactions and adds value to mobile applications. GenAI also plays a vital role in creating marketing content. By automating the generation of social media posts, email newsletters, and promotional copy, AI ensures consistent messaging across platforms without requiring constant human effort. Apps such as Lately demonstrate this capability, converting long-form content such as blogs into engaging social media posts effortlessly. In addition, generative AI enhances the management of user-generated content. It can curate reviews, summaries, and other user contributions, ensuring alignment with the app's tone and increasing its impact. TripAdvisor exemplifies this by summarizing user reviews to highlight key travel experiences, making them more accessible and engaging for potential users. Transitioning to the methodology, leveraging GenAI effectively requires a structured approach. Start by defining clear objectives and understanding your target audience. Conduct thorough research to create user personas that guide content creation strategies. Once objectives are clear, selecting the right GenAI tools becomes crucial. From tools offering text generation to image creation or chatbot functionalities, aligning the tool's features with your app's goals ensures success. After selecting tools, develop a comprehensive content strategy. Outline the types of content your app requires and create a schedule for updates and new releases. Integration is the next step. By embedding generative AI tools into your app architecture, you can enable real-time content generation that responds to user interactions dynamically. Quality assurance is another critical aspect. Establish a process for reviewing AI-generated content to ensure it aligns with your brand voice and meets quality standards. Once validated, launch the content to a small audience, gather feedback, and iterate to optimize user experiences. Let's explore some tools that make all this possible. OpenAI API enables versatile text generation for applications such as chatbots and content creation. Jasper and Writesonic specialize in generating marketing copy, while Canva Magic Write integrates text generation seamlessly with design platforms. Tools such as Copy.ai Cookie AI and Runway ML expand possibilities to creative writing, conversational agents, and multimedia content generation, respectively. In this video, you learned that generative AI is transforming mobile app content creation by enabling efficient and personalized experiences. You also learned that AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants enhance customer support by providing instant, human-like interactions. Additionally, Generative AI automates marketing content creation and curates user-generated content to ensure consistency and engagement. We explored how defining clear objectives, selecting the right tools, and integrating them into app architecture are crucial for successful implementation. You discovered the importance of quality assurance in maintaining brand alignment and learned about tools such as OpenAI API, Jasper, and Canva Magic Write that make AI-driven content creation accessible. Finally, we discussed how generative AI empowers apps to deliver tailored, scalable, and impactful content, transforming the user experience.